Here I've got DOOGEE Y7, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display, go to the advanced options and select wallpaper. Now choose the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be some from your own photos or wallpapers, and I will pick wallpapers. Now just check all the possible options and pick the one that you like the most. In my case it will be this one. If you'll click once, you'll be able to see how it looks in full screen, and if you really want to apply it, just click on Set Wallpaper. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this picture. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.